Okay, so now in this question, the expression is given to us and we need to find the coefficient of x to the power 4. Now, in order to solve this, we don't need to expand it till x to the power 4 and then writing the coefficient. We can just directly find the coefficient of x to the power 4. So we can directly do that using a formula. So let's use the formula here. So I'm writing the formula here. A to the power n minus r, b to the power r is equal to x to the power and whatever the term that we need to find. So for example, here right now we have 4. Okay, so here we will write 4. So whatever the term we need to find, we will write that term here. Okay, so this is the formula. Now let's just check this. So here you can clearly see that this is our A and this is our B. So here x, okay, so the value of n is 6. The value of n is 6. The value of r is that what we need to find. So basically we need to find the value of r. So I will write 6 minus r into the bracket. Okay. Now this will become 2 upon x to the power r is equal to x to the power 4. Now note one thing, that here this will be x to the power 6 minus r, and here we can clearly see that how we can write this. We can also write this as 2x to the power minus 1, and here comes your r is equal to x to the power 4. So this till this will become x to the power 6 minus r multiplied by 2 x to the power minus r, because minus 1 is multiplied by r, is equal to x to the power 4. Right? So we have previously looked that whenever we have, let's say we have x to the power 2 multiplied by x to the power cube. So for this, it remains, the base remains x and the powers will add up. So this becomes 2 plus 3. So this is what we will do here. Here you can see that the power of x is 6 minus r and the power of x here is minus r. So we will do 6 minus r plus again minus r, and we will equate it with the power of this, that is 4. So this will become 6 minus r is equal to 4. So 6 minus 2r is equal to 4, and that will be minus 2r. So 6 will go on that side and this will become minus 2. So minus 2 cancelled out, and we will get r as 1. So we will get the value of r as 1. Let's just find the coefficient of x to the power 4. So x to the power 4 means that this will become 6c1, since the value of r that we calculated is 1. So this will become 6c1. 6c1, a is our x. So this will be x to the power 6 minus 1. And here we will write 2 upon x. That will be just 1. So 6c1 is 6. X to the power 6 minus 1 is x to the power 5. and this will be 2 upon x. So now x to the power 5, x will get cancelled out, so this will become x to the power 4. So now this will be 6 multiplied by x to the power 4 into 2. That will give you 12 x to the power 4. So here we calculated the coefficient of x to the power 4 directly through our formula.